Hi, I'm Rachael Ulmer, Director of Marketing at Modular Genius. We're at the 2024 World of Modular Convention. I'm here with Greg from ATEX and Chris from Bard. Can you both tell me a little bit about your companies, what you do, and what you have going on this year?
Absolutely. So I'm Greg with ATEX, she said. We're a distributor for Bard. We provide a lot of service in addition to selling the air conditioning unit prior to the sale with engineering support, and then of course after the sale with support in the field with warranties and things such as that. So work with Modular Genius extensively, almost on a weekly basis, and really appreciate the relationship.
Awesome. And you, Chris?
Sure. Yeah. Good afternoon. I'm Chris with Bard. We are a 110-year-old HVAC manufacturer that's proud to support the modular industry with our trusted partners like Greg at ATEX. We're a fifth-generation manufacturer, and we have a very broad product offering of heat pump and air conditioning units that are tailor-made for the modular industry. So proud to be associated with this particular industry.
Awesome. And so if somebody wants to get in contact with you, what's the best way? Website, email?
Absolutely. The best way is probably to go to our website, which is atexac.com. We have 3 locations in Florida, Louisiana, and Indiana. Just ask for somebody in engineering or sales, and they can assist.
Awesome. And how about you, Chris?
Yeah, for us, it's bardhvac.com. You'll find everything you need to know there. So,
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
thank you.